Good morning. Oh, I got a bird feather on it. Good morning. Say good morning, Rocky. Bird, bird, bird. Rocky, Rocky, Rocky. Have a good Thursday. Wait, today's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday, Rocky. Say have a good weekend. Oh, I kissed your butt. Kiss your butt. Have a good weekend, everyone. It's Friday, yay! Well, not much of a weekend for us because we have a trade show this weekend. We have a gun show this weekend. Yes, we do. We do. At the South Point Casino. The Nomad crew will be at the South Point Casino. Rocky won't be there, but we will. Maybe Rocky will be there. Oh, Rocky will be home. Kiss, kiss. Look at his cute little belly and his wings. Alright, I'll stop harassing you. Have a good weekend. We're going to be at South Point Casino this weekend. Come see us, the Nomad crew.